Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do question number 8. So let us start. Kaito runs along a 12-kilometer path at an average speed of x kilometers per hour. Write down an expression in terms of x for the number of hours taken. So the time taken would be nothing but the distance divided by the speed. And so this is equal to, the distance is 12 kilometers divided by the speed, x kilometers per hour. So how many hours does it take? It will take 12 by x hours for him to run that distance. Now, Yuki takes 1.5 hours longer to walk than the same path as Kaito. She walks at an average speed of x minus 4 kilometers per hour, right? So, she takes 1.5 hours longer. She walks at an average speed of x minus 4. So, what can we say? Time taken for Yuki would be equal to the speed, which is the distance divided by the speed, x minus 4. And so this is 12 by x minus 4. And it is given that 12 by x minus 4, if I subtract the time of Kaito from the time of Yuki, I will get 1.5. So this is nothing but 1.5, or 1.5 I can write it as 3 by 2. So now taking LCM, this would be 12 into x minus 12 into x minus 4 divided by x into x minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Or now if I expand, if I simplify this thing, 12x minus 12x, 12x and 12x will get cancelled, minus 12 into x, 48 divided by x into x minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. So cross multiplication, I will get 3x into x minus 4 is equal to 2 into 48, which is 96. And then dividing by 3, I will get x into x minus 4 is equal to 32, which is nothing but x square minus 4x minus 32 is equal to 0. Right? So yeah, I can include one more step here. So I am dividing it by 3 here. That implies x into x minus 4 is equal to 32. And I can expand it in one step, and the final step can be x square minus 4x minus 32 is equal to 0, as they asked us. So this is the proof. Now they are asking us to solve it. So minus 4, I need to write it in terms of P and Q such that the sum is minus 4 and the product is minus 32. So x square minus 4 minus 32 is equal to 0. That implies I can take the two numbers to be minus 8 and plus 4. The product is minus 32, the sum is minus 4. Okay, now out of the two, I'll take x common. And then again from these two, I'll take 4 common. That implies x plus 4 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. So therefore, either x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 8. So the two answers are minus 4 or 8. Now the next question. Find the number of hours it takes Yuki to walk along the 12-kilometer path. So here x has two values, so find the time, the number of hours it takes Yuki. So only valid value of x for speed is x is equal to 8. So speed of Yuki, x is equal to minus 4 is negative, and it cannot be possible, right? So only the value of x is equal to 8 is possible. So the speed of Yuki is equal to x minus 4, which is 4 km per hour. So therefore time taken is 12 by x minus 4, which is 12 by 4, which is 3 hours. So the correct answer is 3 hours. This completes this part. So as you can see, this is an easy part, but you should be very careful when you are doing calculations because it is very easy to go wrong. If a plus becomes a minus, everything will change. Okay. So now let us go to B part of the question. A bus travels 440 kilometers correct to the nearest 10 kilometers. So the distance traveled would be 440 plus or minus 5 kilometers. So the bound is 445 kilometers to 435 kilometers. These are the two bounds. Or I can write 435 here and 445 here. Now, the time taken would be equal to, since the correct to the nearest half hour, so the correct answer would be 6 plus or minus 0.25 hours. Why 0.25? This is half of half. Here it is nearest 10 kilometers, so this is half of 10, which is 5. And here it is nearest half hour, so half of 0.25. So it is equal to from 5.75 to 6.25 hours. Now what are they asking? The lower bound. So first of all, before we go further, speed is equal to distance by time. So therefore lower bound for speed, I want to calculate the lower bound. When we are dividing things, what will be the lower bound? It is the lower bound for distance divided by the upper bound for time. Why? Because if you take the lower bound in the numerator, the value will become less. If you take the upper bound in the denominator, then the value will become even less. Denominator increases, the value will decrease. So this is equal to, what is the lower bound for distance? 435 kilometers divided by what is the time, upper bound for time? 6.25 hours. And its value is nothing but 69.6 kilometer per hour. And so the answer is 69.6. Always remember, when you are taking bounds and when a quotient is involved, the upper bound would be upper bound divided by lower bound, and the lower bound would be lower bound divided by upper bound. Okay, so this completes this question. Let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.